Your mind is the most dangerous place in the world. If you don't control it, it will destroy you. Every battle you face in life starts in one place, your mind. Before you fail in action, you fail in thought. Before you give up in life, you surrender inside. Most people don't even notice how much negativity they carry. They wake up, check bad news, complain about everything, and repeat the same mental program every single day. Then they wonder why life feels heavy, why success feels impossible, why happiness never lasts. But here's the truth: you are not your thoughts are tools, you can shape them, guide them, change them, yet if you let them run free, they can trap you inside invisible walls. Negativity is sneaky, it hides behind your habits, behind your fears, behind every "I can't." It makes you see problems instead of possibilities, that voice that says you'll never make it. It's lying to you, it's not the truth. It's a memory, a fear, a reflection of someone else's limits, not yours. When you hear it whisper you're not good enough, pause, take a breath, ask yourself, whose voice is that? Because so often, it isn't yours, it's a teacher who doubted you, a parent who was afraid, a failure you never forgave yourself for. You have been carrying other people's voices in your mind, and it's time to let them go. You were born limitless. You learned limits later, and what's learned can always be unlearned. Negative thinking is like a virus, invisible but powerful. It infects your focus, your energy, your belief, your dreams. It starts small: I'm tired. I'm not smart enough. It's too late. And it grows until it becomes your reality. But remember this: if your mind can create fear, it can also create courage. If it can imagine failure, it can imagine success. Your thoughts are neutral. You decide what they build. Every time a negative thought appears, don't fight it, observe it. Say, I see you, but you don't control me. When you fight a thought, you feed it. When you understand it, you free yourself. You can't stop negative thoughts from showing up, but you can stop them from staying. Your peace begins the moment you stop believing every thought you think. When you wake up every morning, your mind gives you two choices: feed your fear, or feed your faith. If you start the day thinking, I'm tired, I hate this, nothing ever changes, you've already lost before you begin. But if you start with, today, I'm grateful. Today I'll focus. Today I'll grow, you shift your vibration, and the world responds. The energy you carry is the magnet of your life. You can't expect peace while thinking chaos, you can't expect success while thinking failure. Every great life begins with a great mindset, and that mindset begins when you take full responsibility for your thoughts. No one can think for you, no one can clean your mind for you. That's your job, and it's the most important one you'll ever have. So stop blaming people, stop blaming luck, stop blaming life. Take back your power. Negativity only controls you when you forget who you are. You are not weak, you are not broken, you are not your past mistakes, you are strength. You are growth. You are awareness itself. When negative thoughts come, and they will, smile. Say, you're just old programming. And I'm upgrading now. Every time you replace fear with focus, you're rewiring your brain for success. Every time you choose gratitude over complaint, you're reprogramming your reality. This isn't fake positivity, it's mental discipline. It's training your brain to find light even in the darkest rooms. Because life won't always be easy, you'll face loss, failure, rejection, heartbreak. But you'll also face chances, lessons, love, and endless growth. And what decides how you experience it all is not the situation, it's your interpretation. You can't always choose what happens, but you can always choose what it means. When something goes wrong, ask, what can I learn from this? How can this make me stronger? The negative mind asks, why me? The powerful mind asks, what now? And that question, what now? Builds warriors. So stop replaying the old pain, stop arguing with the past, stop letting fear predict your future. You are the author of your story. If you don't like the chapter you're in, write a new one, and it starts with one new thought. I am not my fear. I am my focus, I am not my pain. I am my purpose, I am not my doubt. I am my direction. Say it until you feel it, say it until your body believes it. Because the moment you change your inner story, the outer world begins to follow. Think of your mind like a mirror, it reflects whatever you show it. So if you want to see something beautiful, you must look through love, not fear. The problem isn't that you think negatively, it's that you think you have no choice. But you do. You always do. Every moment is a choice. Focus on the problem or the possibility. Focus on the fear or the faith. And when you start choosing faith, you'll realize something magical. Most of the limits you believed in were never real. They were just thoughts, and thoughts can change. You are not your thoughts. You are the thinker, and you have the power to choose. So choose strength, choose peace, choose growth. Let go of the mental noise. Let go of the lies you tell yourself. Let go of the story that keeps you small, because every time you say, I can't, the universe whispers back, yes, you can. The mind is like a sky, negative thoughts are just clouds, passing through, let them move. Don't chase them, behind them, there's always light, that light is you, that calm is you, that power is you, so breathe deeply, inhale new beginnings, exhale old fears. Right now, make a decision, no more feeding negativity, no more repeating the same story, no more waiting for perfect moments. You are ready, you are strong, you are enough. Your new life begins the moment you stop believing your old thoughts, and that moment is now. Tell us in the comments, what's one negative thought you're ready to let go of today, because the moment you let it go, your new life begins.
Comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.